Hello, so today we will be installing Windows 10 on our virtual machine. So, what are we going to do
Yes.
first?
The first thing that we need to do is to go
Create,
to the create a new virtual machine.
yes. So, we will name it Windows 10. Windows 10 VM. And then put it on Windows 10. It is a version 1064-bit. Next. Memory
Next,
size,
click
let's make
and
it
proceed.
3.
It's very big ba dapat?
uh, at least basta pasok siya dito to make it more, or 4 I guess kasi 8 GB RAM
Okay,
naman siya.
okay.
Then create a virtual hard disk. Okay, create. Then VHD, dynamically allocated. Next, let's just make this 30 GB. Okay, create. Now we have finally created, and then let's do start. Settings.
Then next is ito yung sa network.
Yes, not network, still same, and then that's all. Okay, and then let us start. Kita mo ito mag
Yes.
select startup disk, change natin to yung Windows 10. So, mag-add tayo. But before that, kailangan ko siya ipakita kasi di siya makita. Optical disk selector.
Cogs, no? Dagan tayo.
So, mag-add.
Yes.
Di na siya kita, pero yeah. Okay, mag-add tayo niyan. Asan na yun? Ito, Windows 10. Choose.
English.
Then, start.
Ano yun, nag-start na ang virtual machine na.
Mag-loading.
Labasig, baby ko matulog.
Yun.
Diba,
Ito, language, time, you'll say, okay, then next.
English, yes.
And then install.
Install na. Imong hinga dyan ba? Mark of Dinosaurs sa Jurassic Park.
Sorry. So, hindi ko
Meron ka ng pagpaduol siya.
we don't have I don't have a product key, so we will be not putting a product key, right?
Yes.
So, and then since it's a mobile, according to them, it is a mobile Windows. So we will be choosing Windows 10 Pro. Next. And then no one reads the license term, but yeah, I accept the license term. And then custom, and as you can see there, we will be allocating 30 GB. Next. Now we will be waiting for it to install.
So, pansin nyo man guys na we're doing it, Jang is doing it fastly, in a fast way because we've already done it before for the first time
For the
when
second
Sir
time.
Clyde, a second time, because Sir Clyde already gave us this kind of task before. So, we're just trying to apply it again in installing Windows 10.
Ayan, wait lang. Okay, we're here. Diyan o.
So
Now,
yes, say yes.
bakit ito talaga yung lumalabas? Skip.
Hala,
Ayun.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the spacebar to select the highlighted option.
So, hi again. So, we were almost about to end our
tutorial.
yeah,
Charot.
the we have finally solved the issue that we've been trying to solve, kung saan yung country lang pala yung okay, country lang yung wala namin na change. Now,
Yes, kasi we've been choosing
United
US,
States.
United States, mga
And
feeling Western
then,
people.
We were almost finished on installing the virtual machine inside the virtual machine, but then my laptop went blue screen. It updated lang out of nowhere, so I wasn't able to save automatically the video, the screen record that we had. So we will just be explaining what happened. Oh wait, wala.
So, yun siya. Now, magpakita na namin. We'll be going inside the virtual machine and we will install again the virtual machine inside the virtual machine.
Wait,
Yes. So, technically speaking, all throughout the installation, from step 1 until the last, again, ulit din yan?
Hindi ako sure. I think so. Hindi siya na-save.
Sige na lang. So, yun siya. Sige kami ulit kasi there were some errors.
And another error.
Yeah.
So we will
But
now...
we were patient. Yes, we were patient.
I think so. I think we were patient. Now we have to wait again for like maybe 30 minutes.
Giset mo gi-alarm mo or like nakaset na mag-update siya ngayong oras?
Hindi. It just went
Blue.
yeah.
Siguro na-shock siya. Ay, shit, tama na. Fuck. Hala! So, Akong maingon all throughout the installation jud is
Wait, okay.
take it scoops your patience away. So, ngayon, ina-enter na lang ang password na naset namin for our admin.
Okay, I think we're good dito.
Sana. So, yun siya. Sir, as in, grabe ang struggle. But, okay lang. Okay lang. At least na wrap up na mo imong steps na gihatag sa mo before.
Okay. Okay.
Yan, so,
Nakapasok pala
nagpasok na kami.
And
So,
then,
ang gawin na lang is mag-install ng virtual machine inside the virtual machine itself. So, let's hope na dili na po siya mag-blue screen. Hope lang naman. The Candyman. Yun. Let's cross our fingers while we're at it. Diba? Kasi, siguro, sometimes ganyan ang life. I-feel nila na almost mo na makamit ang iyong minimithi. Pinabigyan ka ng one last struggle or challenge. Siguro yun.
okay, reboot now.
Yes!
Reboot now. How about reboot
Um,
now? Okay, let's just reboot it now. I saw it
Okay.
a while ago that we have to reboot it. And then after that, we're done and we will be explaining what happened. Again, we will be explaining what happened and our realization.
Let us well explain na natin now habang ko wait mag-reboot.
Okay, so what can you anong nangyari?
At first, we were somehow confident with what the steps na know namin kasi na from the activities or tasks that were given to us days before, we have a hunch kung paano na siya gawin and how the flow would be. So, while we were installing the Windows 10, there is this part when we chose US as the country and we thought that in the first place is correct. So that is why we
Encountered
kept
issues.
on issues like receiving ano yun? Keyboard mga errors
Ube keyboard
ube local
and
or
Ibo
ube
local.
keyboard na
Yes.
mga outcomes. So yun, then when we asked for a copy of Jean's video, they chose Philippines. Then we tried na Buchanan, yun siya ang factor kung bakit labas ang Ubi local tsaka Ubi keyboard na Windows. So
And
yan,
then,
yun.
yes, and we've also
Yun
read
siya.
about it on the internet that meron siyang issues sa region. And then, yun pala talaga yung issue natin. So, as you can see here, okay na, natapos na natin. We have now Windows 10. And, yeah. Yun na, ano pa ba ang na-realize? Yun, maybe we have to really follow and read it step by step para hindi kayo mawala. And yun, i-part na yun sa aming documentation. And unfortunately, we weren't able to save our recording because yun nga, nag-blue screen. So, cut ang aming reaction sa aming realization yun. So, that is all. And we're done. Thank you.
Yes.
Finally, bye.
Ay, charot, bye.